Hello, today we are going to be reviewing string flossing technique. String floss is an easy everyday method to remove any debris or plaque from between the teeth. Take a long enough piece of floss and wrap it around your non-dominant hand's middle finger. Now take both hands and hold the loose end of the floss with both index fingers and thumbs, pinching the floss between each index finger and thumb. Gently slide a section of the floss between two teeth all the way to the gum line. Careful not to snap down the floss, as this can cause floss to cut your gums and irritate them. Curve the floss around the sides of a tooth and wipe away any debris from the side of the tooth as you come back out from between the teeth. Repeat with the other tooth's side surface. Be careful around the gums to not saw the floss back and forth. Repeat this action of curving or hugging the floss around the side of a tooth and wiping away and out for all of the teeth. In between doing this for each side of a tooth, you may get the debris, food particles, or plaque on the floss. If you have access to a sink, you can either rinse that part of the floss, or you can roll the used part of the floss around the middle finger of your other hand, getting a new, clean section of the floss to work with. It doesn't matter where you begin flossing in your mouth. Some people like to start in the middle and work their way to the back of each side of the mouth. Others like to start from one side of the mouth and work all the way to the other side. But it's important to floss between all the teeth and not miss a side of any tooth. It's recommended to floss at least once every day to keep your gums, teeth, and breath happy, reducing your chances of gingivitis, periodontitis, and cavities between the teeth. Depending on your needs, you may need to floss more than once every day if you experience faster buildup of plaque and debris on your teeth, or have areas in the mouth that are trapping food particles or plaque more often. It's important to floss to reduce bacterial load on our teeth and gums. It also takes plaque 1 to 2 days to begin crystallizing into tartar, the hard, rough buildup that starts to build up around the teeth, which can attract even more bacteria to the same spot, putting one at risk for cavities and gum disease. Flossing is just as important a part of oral self-care as is brushing, so try not to skip it next time you go to brush your teeth. Thank you for watching and happy flossing!